Hello everyone. I am Anupam. Welcome back to Python for Absolute Beginner series. In this video, we will learn multiple important topics like input in Python, typecasting, and Lambda function, map, filter, and reduce. So these topics are very important for real Python programming. So let's start. So input in Python, taking user input in Python. Okay. So the input function is used to take values from the user during program execution, and it pauses the program and waits for the user to type something and press enter. Okay, so in simple words, input is used to take value from the user. Okay, so example like x is equal to input, enter your name, print x. So when user types something, Python stores it in variable. Okay, so important point is like input always returns string. So the second one is typecasting. So typecasting means changing one data type to another. This is essential when you have to perform operation specific data types. So common typecasting functions are int, that converts to integer. Second one is float, converts to decimal number. The third one is str, that converts to string. Okay, so typecasting का use input के साथ बहुत होता है. Okay, typecasting in action, like example code is like x is equal to 10, then y is equal to int x, print y plus 5, then the output is 15. Means x is 10, then the int value is x, then y plus 5, that the output we got 15. Okay, so in this code the string 10 is converted to integer 10, then 5 is added to get 15. Okay, so the next one is lambda function. Lambda functions are small anonymous functions that can have any number of arguments but only one expression. So they are perfect for short simple operations. Okay, like syntax, lambda arguments, expression. So the example is like x is equal to lambda a plus 5, then print x 10. So the output is 15. Like like value of a is 10, then 10 plus 5, then we get output 15. Okay, the map function. The map function applies a given function to all items in an iterable like list and returns a map object that can be converted to a list. Example code nums is equal to 1 2 3 4. Result is equal to list map lambda x into 2 nums. Print result. Like here nums is equal to 1 2 3 4. Then nums is equal to x, we can call it x. Okay, so first we multiply all the values to 2. 2 1 is 2 and 2 to the 4 and 3 to the 6 and 4 to the 8, then we get output 8. Okay, so the next one is the filter function. The filter function selects values from an iterable based on a condition, so it returns only those items that satisfy the given condition. So nums is equal to square bracket 1 2 3 4 5 6, result is equal to list filter lambda x modulus 2 is equal to 0 nums. So when we get output 246, means when the mean of modulus, when we divide any value by 2, then we get output, then we get remainder is equal to 0. Then if you divide any value of the nums, then the 2 value and the 4 and the 6 value only gives remainder 0. Okay, then we get output 246, and that we can call it filter function. So the next one is the reduce function. The reduce function combines all values in an iterable into a single value. In simply, reduce combines all values. Okay, so the example of sum all numbers from function tools import reduce nums is equal to square bracket 1 2 3 4. So result is equal to reduce lambda a comma b, a plus b comma nums. So print result, then we get output 10. If you add the nums like here 1 2 3 4, then we get output 10. It means reduce combines all values. Okay, so today we learned input, typecasting, lambda, map, filter, and reduce function. So in next lesson we will learn exception handling or file handling. So if you like the video, like, share, and subscribe. See you in next lesson and keep supporting. Thank you.